6 best chair exercises to burn belly fat and side fat. Exercise 1. Seated leg raise. Seated leg raise mainly targets the full abs with extra focus on the lower abs. This exercise is great for beginners because it's low impact and easy on the lower back. Sit tall on a chair. Grip the sides for support, tighten your core and slowly lift both legs up. Pause briefly at the top, then lower your legs with control. Keep your chest up, avoid swinging and breathe out as you lift. Exercise 2. Seated flutter kicks. Seated flutter kicks mainly target the full abs with extra focus on the lower abs. They help build core strength, improve endurance, and increase abdominal muscle definition. Sit on a chair, lean back slightly, and brace your core. Lift both legs off the floor and kick them up and down in a small, controlled motion. Keep your abs tight, chest up, and breathe steadily. Avoid swinging or using momentum. Exercise 3. Seated leg clap. Seated leg clap mainly targets the full abs with strong emphasis on the lower abs and obliques. This movement improves core strength, coordination, and balance while increasing calorie burn. Sit on a chair and lean back slightly. Tighten your core, lift one leg, and clap your hands underneath it. Switch legs and repeat in an alternating rhythm. Keep your chest up, abs tight, and move with control. Do this exercise regularly for the best results. Exercise 4. Seated elbow to knee. Seated elbow to knee mainly targets the obliques, while also engaging the upper and lower abs for full core activation. This exercise helps slim the waist, improve core strength, and enhance coordination. It's low impact and great for beginners or seated workouts. Sit tall on a chair and tighten your core. Lift your right knee and twist your torso to bring your left elbow toward it. Return to center. Then switch sides. Keep your chest up. Move with control and exhale as you twist. Exercise 5. Chair L-sit hold. Chair L-sit hold mainly targets the full abs, with very strong activation of the lower abs. It also strengthens the hip flexors and shoulders. This is an excellent isometric exercise to build a strong core and improve overall balance. Sit on a chair and place your hands firmly beside your hips. Press down through your palms. Lift your hips off the chair and raise your legs together. Keep your core tight, chest up, and legs controlled. Hold the position. Breathe. Stay. Exercise 6. Side-to-side leg raise. Side-to-side leg raise mainly targets the obliques while also engaging the lower abs and hip flexors. This exercise helps slim the waist, strengthen the core, and improve balance. Sit tall on a chair. Tighten your core and lift one leg slightly off the floor. Move your leg to the side, then back to center. And switch to the other leg in a controlled, alternating motion. Keep your chest up, abs tight, and avoid leaning or swinging.